Okay. Hello, everybody. This is the
Hello.
United Success Network 9 o'clock Thursday call. Everyone on the line, just give a shout out and say, hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Hey, amen. We have people from around the country, out west, south, you name it, they're calling in to the Success Network call tonight, and we are excited because we're in the right place at the right time, and you are too. If you were invited to this call, you were invited by someone very special, and they believe you were special. Otherwise, they would not have even taken the time to have extended that invitation to you. So we're so happy that you are with us, and we're looking at the fact that we're changing lives one at a time. And we're so glad that we have with us our CEO and founder of the United Success Network, Charles Isaiah Morgan. And he's going to tell us all the good news that is going on with USN at this time. So let's give Charles a welcome.
Hi, Charles. How's it going?
All right.
Great, you're great. How's everybody doing out there?
Great.
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 All right. I just first want to just welcome everybody into the call. We're doing live recording. This will be going around the country. And for all the ones that are going to be watching this for your first time, you are definitely in the right place at the right time. United Success Network is a absolute red hot trend. We started off here in the Michigan area. We spread it all around the states, other countries, and other continents as of now. And I'm very excited to go ahead and bring you some real refreshing information that really is just spreading around the country like a good wildfire, touching a lot of lives, communities, families, you name it. We are being blessed by the system because we have endured and we have came to our land of promise to say, you know what, we have something special that is for each and every last one of you that are watching this video. So I'm going to go and jump right into it. You're looking at United Success Network. We are the next big thing that's out there. We're changing lives one at a time because what the hype is about is that, hey, we generated something and created a system that absolutely makes sense and it is bringing money. So when you think about what is the hype about, everybody at this point in time could say, even if you're a millionaire, you need extra money. And that's what we're bringing to the world. And that's what not only what we're bringing the unity and the solidarity of mind to say, you know what, we may or may not agree about religion and politics, but when it comes down to a financial breakthrough for individuals and communities worldwide, please do not break the cycle. It's something that's really happening, and it's just really refreshing for what you're about to see right now. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I won't be before you long, but I will be before you strong. I will give you a complete breakdown of what you need to know about United Success Network, the new United Family and Friends. So what's the hype about? It's very simple. We all need some extra money. What we have done here, you understand, we have merged and fused together two multi-billion-dollar platforms, one being social media, and on the other hand being a crowdfunding scenario that we put together. When we combine both of those features together, that has broken way for a lot of potential. Keep in mind, we are the first and only to take both of those different platforms and merge them together to make it our own. And that's what's really special about United Success Network, that we have something that no one else has out there to date. So whoever got you to this call, they want you to see exactly for yourself and see the dynamic power of what holds in the future for United Success Network and our ever evolving and growing community. So what's going on from that point is very simple, is that we've actually created a unique system where you can actually generate money from your friends list. And that's something that hasn't been done before, and something that's really, really, expanding the whole social media industry, where, other social media sites out there, they have, these elaborate friends lists. They have no one that's really generating any money from anyone that they network with on there. It's just a like, a share, the pictures and the videos, and that's pretty much it. That's where the line drops at. And that's where the creation, was really a godsend to go ahead and give me the vision, and combined with a lot of people's other efforts to go ahead and make a hub for us. Make a hub for us to go ahead and just really take things to the next level. So now we're not just socializing. We have a purpose that we're driving here in United Success Network. And that's why what is really important is for people to understand what is your why. You know, it's an explosion of thoughts that come in with, you know, different people coming here to fundraise for different reasons. Everybody has a reason and why they need extra money. Even when it comes down to the millionaires that are out there, they have people that need extra money because they have people that are in their pockets. And that's what we're bringing to the world, not just for us here in the U.S., it's for people all around the globe that are taking part to say, you know what, this absolutely makes sense. Let's go ahead and make a difference and choose to be part of the difference. And that's really what's important about our community. That is why it's ever growing, because people are choosing to say, you know what, I understand why my reasons are, and I understand what that other person's reasons are. So we have a caring community that says, you know what, maybe your situation might be a little bit different, but when we all come together, we can make change happen. And that's the beautiful thing that's happening right now, every day in United Success Network. So your why is important. So to go right into it, I'm going to show you the money side, which is really exciting because this is the phenomenal backbone structure of United Success Network that shows people, you know, anytime you invest or loan any money out, bottom line is really, do I get my money back? And we're going to show you right now how you just don't get your money back. It multiplies over and over to infinity, as long as your people and the community are still looking toward the goal and the vision of having this as a global donation fundraiser. So what's going to happen when you come in here into United Success Network, the social media side, absolutely free. But when it comes down to the fundraising part, that's the part, the reason that people have to understand the fundraising is what is really happening. If you don't know about crowdfunding, go ahead and look it up on Google and they'll tell you the definition. But basically it's people coming together in small amounts to go ahead and help each other in a financial way. So what you're going to do, you're going to come in, you're going to give a one-time $50 donation to a member in the community. You got to understand, we have put a lot of money behind our system. We put a lot of money behind the technology and really perfected a way how people and communities can just, you know, really have a good time with our system and generate a lot of financial blessings and help a lot of people. People are looking for something like this. You now have your hands on it. So all you have to do is the sharing. So when you come in, you're going to give a one-time out-of-pocket donation. Everything in our network is always, whenever you give, you're going to receive that back times 8. We have a 5-level system. Everything will always be multiplied times 8. When you go to different levels, keep this in mind, it's always from that one-time out-of-pocket donation. I'm going to break that down to you right now. So as you come in, you're going to give that $50 donation. One thing you have to understand about our system, we have 3 main components that happen. The first and the second donation is going to automatically advance you to the higher level. First and second donation of 8 that you receive is going to automatically advance you to the higher level. The 8th donation is going to advance and recycle you into the level that you completed. The 8th is significant to meaning that you completed just one level of our system, and it opens up for a whole another position for people to go ahead and start receiving over and over again. We have to do that again. So what's happening here is very simple. When you come in, you're going to give, you can track it right here. You're going to give a $50 donation. It's going to be always multiplied through the different levels. What's going to happen when you get that $50 donation, always out of the first 2 donations, what's going to happen is that you're going to automatically advance. Our system and technology is going to do that for you. You got to understand, it's not like things in the past where you have to save. We actually have what we call the SWAP. The acronym for that is Save with a Purpose. We know what works out there. We have been out there and have combined, you know, decades of experience to bring to you a foolproof, burn-proof system that works every single time, just exactly how it says. So out of that first level, first 2 donations, you're going to go to the higher level. That's going to be $100. You're still going to be on level 1. As you can see, first 2 donations, you advance up. You're still on level 1. From that point, what's going to happen is you're going to keep $250 from level 1, because what happens is you're going to recycle. Like I said, the 8th donation is the most important wheel of our system and the main component that recycles what you have just replenished from the system. So it always adds another person in there. So right now, you're already on level 1. You completed that. You're already on level 2. As you move up, what's happening on level 2 is going to come from the first 3 donations. This right here is letting you know that our system is real. Even from level 1, you've already broken even. That's how our system works. Even if we just stopped at level 1 alone, the system is powerful enough because people typically don't receive those kind of returns off of $50. Try putting it in a bank for a year or two. It will not yield you $250. That's what we're showing people, and that's what's exciting, but that's not where it stops at. That's just the tip of the iceberg, letting you know what you have yourself involved into actually works. So what happens from that point? You're already going, first 3 donations, you're advancing to level 3. You're still on level 2 and receiving. You're already on level 1 again. What happens is you're going to keep $450. From that point, what's happening is the 8th donation, you begin to recycle that back in. You're now on both of those levels, all 3 levels, most of the time, multiple times, at least on that first time. So you got to understand how powerful this system is. This is off of one membership, $150 bill that you've already cleared over, what's that now, $700 right there. So the system is working for you. Keep in mind, every time you're advancing to these levels is from the abundance of what our system generates for you. That's from the people that are fundraising with you. This is a team atmosphere right here. So getting back to the system that we have for you. On level 3, it gets right back into the same formula when we first started. The first 2 donations is going to allow you to advance to level 4. What happens is you're going to keep $1,250 because out of the 8th donation, it's going to recycle back in. You understand how that flow goes? First 2 donations, the system automatically advances you. Donations 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 are yours to keep, yours to go ahead and save, yours to go ahead and invest, yours to go ahead and take care of other communities and other issues in your life. You live off the overflow of what our system is creating for you. So back to level 4, same thing happens. It's a simple system. First 2 donations, you advance up to level 5, $1,000. That's how the system works. What you're going to keep from level 4 is going to be a total of $2,500. Keep in mind, these other levels, as you see them spinning below, they're already going to work for you right now. I'm going to tell you the powerful structure of our system. Even on level 4, there's been many people that have recycled, I would say 3, 4, maybe 5 times, even in level 1. Level 2, same thing. You've already cycled multiple times. Our system, the technology of the automation, the brain work that was put into our system is next to none out there. This is a total, absolute blessing of a machine and a community that we're building right here, and you're being welcomed to it firsthand. So from that point, same thing happens. The system is working for you. You've seen levels 1 through 4 already complete. This is coming off of the $50. What's happening is on level 5, you're already on all those other levels. You keep a total of $7,000 because there is no other higher level out there. The only thing you have to make sure that you do, and the system does it for you, is going to recycle. When that happens, you see the totals flashing right there in your face. Just off of one complete cycle is a total of $11,450. That's the reality of our system. That's what people are excited about. And you got to understand, that's one complete cycle. Just imagine going through one complete cycle, but you already have multiplied or went through levels 1 and 2 multiple times, level 3 multiple times. That is the technology that we're bringing to the world to go ahead and show you how to use a system, our foolproof system, to go ahead and bless your financial situation and help a lot of other people. You got to understand what's happening within this process. It's not just you that's receiving, like how other crowdfunding platforms, you create a need or necessity and people donate to you. We've created the ultimate vehicle because I know nowadays a lot of people usually give when they know they're getting something in return, and that's what our system is bringing. And it's not just that. We have the lifestyle, the coaching, the mentoring, and a lot of other things that are transpiring behind the scenes that's making United Success Network the next big thing. We are a household, family-oriented system and community. And you got to understand, our system is allowing you to recycle and receive this number, $11,450, over and over to infinity. That's what we have as the vision. That's what we have as the vehicle within United Family and Friends, United Success Network, to really bless a lot of people. If you don't see that even from level 1, that you should be here, we're going to need you to open your eyes. It's just that simple. The $11,000 is real. You can have that coming in multiple times in a year, multiple times in a month. That's how our system works for you and for others. You got to see it right there. As we're moving forward, it's telling you how it is. We are a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens, but never doubt that we can help change the world. And if not just the whole world, we can help definitely change some communities, because our members, we're choosing to make a difference in this lifetime. And what we're doing is we see, we had a Foresight 2020 vision board party where we, wrote everything down, things we want to accomplish. We're going to accomplish them, God willing. And you're being basically presented with two choices, either to evolve or to repeat. Join with us or, join later. That's all it is, because United Success Network is helping a lot of people. There's a lot of participation. We are a village, and, it takes a village to raise a child. And that is what's really, special and intimate about our relationship, even my relationship with the members. I help a lot of people. I call, I visit, I travel. I am out there to help a lot of people. And we have a committee of people that are doing the same thing to say, you know what, we choose to be pioneers, and we choose to make sure that this house is taken care of. And that's the beautiful thing about our community. You should definitely be here. So knowing that, this is a team fundraiser, and every team is the acronym, together everyone achieves more. And on the other side of that, what do you have to lose? You don't have nothing to lose. And no one has ever become poor by giving. You never give more than you can afford to as well. And that's why we made it economically safe and reasonable for people to say, you know what, I can do that. But do not belittle the small seed, the mustard seed of faith that's behind this grows into a very, very big tree. So from this point, it's like, what will you do from this point? I'm going to tell you, it's really simple. You need to go ahead and join the movement. You need to be part of the solution. The worldwide community unity movement is in place already. You're now listening to it for your first time. You might need to watch it again. You need to go ahead and share it. You need to go ahead and download our app. Go into the Play Store or your App Store, type in USN and download the app. Get back in contact with whoever got you on this call. It is real. It is real. It is so real. Like I said, we're looking toward 2020 being a great year, having solidarity of at least one thing, but it's way more than that behind the scenes of United Success Network. What we're building this out for the next generation, but we have to have your participation. And that's what it is. Make your decision today. With that being said, I'm done for tonight.